Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 4.5mm crochet hook and a ball of wool yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description of this video. And in this video you will see how to crochet funny and easy to make motif. Let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make a chain of 6 for the foundation ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Make 12 single crochet. Make a chain and pull it. Make single crochet 12 times into the ring. And while making my single crochet, I will remove my long piece of yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To finish this round, insert the hook into the first stitch. I skip the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be a round of single crochet stitches. Insert the hook into the ring. Make single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep working this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 13 or 14 single crochet. Once I have done all my single crochet, I've got 14 single crochet. In your case it could be more or less. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make a slip stitch. Well done. Let's crochet the next round. It is going to be a round of Bullion block stitches. For this, make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains to bring up the yarn. For the treble crochet, yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make treble crochet. Well done. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the treble crochet. In total it should be 9 of them. I am done the first one. Let's count. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. I do not pull them. Then insert the hook into the same stitch that I did a treble crochet into. Pull up a loop. Then yarn over. Pull through all loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through. My Bullion block stitch is ready. Continue. Chain. Work with the next Bullion block stitch. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make treble crochet. Then yarn over, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain, then chain more. Continue. I am done 2 bullion block stitches. In total it should be 7 of them. I am done 2. You should crochet 5 more with your own. You can crochet 3, 4, 5. It depends on your project. Once I have done 7 bullion block stitches, here how they look like. I did a chain, continue, then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Let's stop and look what I have done. You can stop at this stage and you will get amazing fan motif. You can use it like a decoration, or it could be part of big projects such as in Irish or guipure laces. I continue working on my motif. Make a slip stitch into each stitch of the previous round. 1, 2, 3. You can crochet more slip stitches or less than I'm doing, and so on. Make 1 more slip stitch into the stitch. I worked with this stitch before. I did a slip stitch into. Work into the chain space. Make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet into the chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet into the chain stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round, then I will show you how to complete it. I continue working on my motif. Let's make the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet, then 4 single crochet into the same chain space. In total it should be 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Insert the hook into the stitch that I worked before. I did a slip stitch into, make a slip stitch, continue, make a chain, and pull up the working loop. And I cut off my yarn. I have got cute motif. Then I will begin the work from another side. I will join the yarn. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain. I join it my yarn, so I'm making petals for my motif, and while doing my petals, I will remove my yarn. Make single crochet, half double crochet, 4 double crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 half double crochet and single crochet. Continue working. Work into the next chain space, make single crochet like this. My first petal is ready. Half double crochet and 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. half double crochet and single crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of the chain spaces. Once I have done all my petals and complete this row, I insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. So my fan motif is almost ready. You can stop at this point if you want, but I still need to continue. I will work with one layer of petals, and now I show you how to do this. For this, make chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make front post single crochet. So I'm making front post single crochet around the single crochet, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make front post single crochet around the single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make front post single crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I'm working on the back side of the project. So my row of chain spaces is almost ready. And let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the single crochet. I'm already made a slip stitch into. Insert the hook into this stitch, make a slip stitch and pull it. Turn the work and work into the chain space. Make single crochet, half double crochet, make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then half double crochet and single crochet. My first petal in the second layer is ready. Let's make another one. Make single crochet, half double crochet and 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make half double crochet and single crochet into the same chain space. My second petal is ready. I am done 2 petals. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. And this is the back side of my project. Once I have done all my petals, and let's complete this motif. I insert the hook into the single crochet that I worked into, make a slip stitch, and to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn, and you should remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the project. Let's look what I have. And next time I will show you how my motif looks like in different yarns. So my project is ready. Here what I have at this point. For this project, you just need to know how to work with Bullion block stitches, single crochet, chains, different tall stitches such as double crochet, half double crochet. For this project, I used wool yarn. All additional information about the tools and kind of tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. It looks like fan motif, or it could be half of the flower. And this is one example, and let's look at another one. In this case, I used cotton yarn. Also, you can add a bead to the center of this motif if you like. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. Also, you can experiment while making your motif. You can add different number of chains, petals, and Bullion block stitches. Also, you can change different colors of yarn. In this case, you will get your personal project. See you next time and bye!